You know, a good friend of mine just told me that he hates money. He said, Imad, I want to work my ass off forever and never be financially stable. And since I'm a good friend who believes in helping people, I made this video, a full guide to stay broke forever. So if you also hate money like my friend, you hate freedom, and you hate peace of mind, take notes and let's ruin your financial future together. First, compete with your neighbors. Your friends are wearing designer clothes? Perfect. Spend even more to prove you're richer than them, even if you're not. Who cares about savings anyway when you've got status? Believe everything is luck. Successful people? Just lucky. Poor people? Victims of fate. Just keep believing you have zero control over anything. It's comforting, and it guarantees nothing ever changes. Chase freedom before you build stability. Quit your job, move to Bali, and manifest. Manifest money from your vision board. Forget about skill building. No, you can vibe your way to financial freedom. Take money advice from broke people. Ask your unemployed cousin how to get rich. He knows. It's exactly as if you're taking a fitness advice from someone who gets winded walking to the fridge. Great move. Destroy your brain and call it balance. Drink every weekend, vape every hour, and you can call it stress management. Remember, if you're hungover 4 days a week, you'll never have time to stress about finances. Gamble and call it investing. Buy random crypto coins, meme coins, day trade from your phone, and call yourself an entrepreneur. Statistics say 95% failure, loss, 5% successful rate. But didn't your mom say you're special? She must be right. You'll be one of the 5% who succeed or win using charts, luck, and screenshots. Real investing takes time and effort and patience, but where's the dopamine in that? Marry the wrong person. Nothing drains wealth faster than emotional bankruptcy, so pick a partner who spends more than you earn. It's the ultimate financial cardio, and trust me, divorce attorneys will love you. Finance everything. Why buy it later when you can owe for it today? Load up on bad debt, buy the car of your dreams, and do like my friend and always constantly tell yourself life's short, life's short. Because nothing screams freedom as paying interest for the next 5 years. Never track your spending. Numbers are stressful, avoid them. Budgeting kills the fun. Just swipe your card and inshallah, nothing will happen. We will pray that our bank balance survives the weekend. Keep your cash safe and useless. Investing is risky, so keep your money safe in the bank where inflation eats it alive. Or better yet, put it under the mattress. That's what financial legends do. Hey, if you're loving this free financial destruction course, please hit the subscribe and like button so I can teach you even more ways to stay broke forever. Now, back to running your bank account. Overspend because you deserve it. You had a long week? You deserve that $400 dinner. You're sad? Retail therapy. Because no one will spoil you like you spoil yourself, right? Straight into debt. Blame everyone but yourself. Your boss, your father, your parents, your country, your friends, your president. They're all guilty, of course. You? Of course, you're an innocent victim of the system. Just keep blaming others. Responsibility is overrated anyway. And self awareness doesn't buy you sympathy. Follow your passion and ignore skills. What a great idea. Especially if your passion is about napping, Netflix, or supporting a football team. Who needs income when you've got dreams? Wait for the perfect moment. Don't take action now. Wait for tomorrow. Maybe tomorrow will feel more magical because it's all about feeling, right? You know what I noticed? I noticed that perfectionists stay broke because they never start. And hey, that's a perfect consistency. Hate rich people. If you can be rich, at least be bitter about it. Call every successful man privileged. Because obviously, judging them on the internet pays much better than learning from them. Flex harder than you earn. Buy luxury you can't afford. Just to impress people who don't even like you. That is temporary, but clout is forever, right? Live above your means. Live below your means, live below your means. Why would you live below your means when you can drown in debt? What? Don't you like swimming in financial anxiety? Come on. The water is great, and the goal isn't about being rich. It's to look rich until the bank calls. Stick to one income. What? Multiple streams? Too much work. Real winners depend on one paycheck and panic every time a company sneezes. This is called financial adrenaline. Waste time on an endless entertainment. Funny reels, TikTok, social media, video games, pornography. We only live once, right? Who needs to build anything when you can laugh at memes until 2 a.m.? Work linearly, not exponentially. Keep trading hours for dollars. 8 hours of work equals 8 hours of pay. That's the dream. Forget about scalability, forget about ownership, and stay so loyal to the 9 to 5 hamster wheel. Be average at everything. Don't be exceptional, it's too exhausting. Be a mediocre doctor, average engineer, or just another accountant. Blend in, stay safe, and watch your paycheck stay exactly where it is. And there you have it, my 21 proven ways to make sure money never bothers you again. Follow these steps and you'll achieve ultimate financial suffering in no time. But if you accidentally do the opposite, you might end up successful, financially stable, free, and peaceful. So be careful with that. I just hope people are smart enough to catch the sarcasm. To my friend, I truly wish you the best on your journey. And to everyone watching, stay safe, stay smart, take care of your money, and I'll see you next video.